Today we're looking at this LED sensor strip light, and it's a rechargeable one. Alright, so I bought this one today because I needed one for my desk. I'm just going to put this underneath my computer because my computer's a little bit raised, so underneath it gets a little bit dark at night, so I need a light underneath there. So yeah, I decided to go for this one. So it is 1 meter in length. It's it's got a dimmable light, so it's got 3 modes. It's got always on, day mode, and night mode. So you can tell the 3 colors here. It's got the always on light, which is the green. Motion activated light is all day, which is the blue, and the only after dark motion activated lighting is red. It's got the sensor. It's also got the low light sensor as well, and light dimming button. And here we have it shows you the dimmable diagram, off time, which is 10, 30, 60 or 120 seconds. So when it's activated, how long does it stay on? It's got motion and ambient light sensor. It's also rechargeable. So here it's got a demonstration or diagram of that you can put it in the closet, shoes, or everywhere, anywhere you want really. All right, let's get this thing opened and take a closer look. Okay, I opened it up with this knife, which I reviewed the other day. Great knife, really sharp. Okay, let's take a closer look. So you have your USB to USB-C cable, and that's about 1 meter long. You have one of these little sticky tabs. I don't know why I give you just one. Should get at least 2. And here you have your manual. Right, so there's another photo or another picture of the lights. So let's have a look. So the voltage on this is 3.7. The power is 3 watts. The LED is 60 LEDs, and the battery controller or in controller is 1 by 3.7 volts, which is 1200 milliamps. And USB input for controller is 5 volt to or equal to 1 amp. Motion sensor range is up to 3 meters. That's not too bad. So this is the controller. Alright, so we have the cable, which is a USB to USB-C. There's your controller right there with your sensor. So you have a little section here for you to put it on the wall with a screw or a nail or something. And here's the light strip. Okay, so it's got a sticky part there. The whole back actually is tape, so you can actually take the whole back off and stick it, which is really good. That's the light, what it looks like. So let's plug it in and see what it how it shines. Okay, so I've plugged it in, and let's turn it on. Right, seem nice and bright. Well, that's all right. What do you think? It's not too bad, is it? And you can go through your modes. That's the blue one, and that's the red one, and blue and green on. Just the green, and off. That's it. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more coming, so hit that notification bell to let you know when we upload another one. Thanks very much. I really appreciate you coming back, and catch you on the next one.